discuss. A lot of people from other places came to Jasma's village. Who were these people? In what ways would they have helped the villagers? So here I will read the question first. The question number 2, people in Jasma's village rebuild their houses with suggestion from the engineers. Will these houses be safe than before in case of there is an earthquake again? Why? Think if there were an earthquake, if you live, would your house be in danger? So the three questions that I have just read here, I will give you the answer of these questions. The answer of this question is up to you. What will you do to save pet animals during natural disaster? The answer of this question I will not give you. This is up to you. You write your own answer. Then compare your house with that of Jasma. List in your notebook what materials were used in making both the houses, Jasma's house and your house. Now the answer is here. A lot of people from other places to Jasma's village. Who were these people? In what ways would they have helped the villagers? So the answer is the people who came to Jasma's village for help water. They were people from the cities, scientists, architects and engineers, non-government and voluntary organization, some doctors, state ministers and other political leaders. These people help the villagers in a number of ways, such as people from the cities with food, medicine and clothes. They also have to put up the tent. The scientists try to find to keep them away from these places. The engineers and architects showed them some special design for houses that would not get much damage in an earthquake. The non-government voluntary organizations help the people by providing them food, clothes, tent to make huts, etc. Doctors and nurses provide them free first aid and treatment. The state ministers and other political leaders provided the people various basic things like food, grains, vegetables, compensatory money, money, etc. Question number 2. People in Jasma's village rebuilt their houses with suggestion from the engineers. Will these houses be safer than before in case there is an earthquake again? Why? Yes, these houses would be comparatively safer than before in case there is an earthquake. This is because there are now prepared according these are now prepared to the suggestions and designs explained by the engineers. This is the answer of question number 3. Think if there is an earthquake where you will live, would your house be a danger? What kind of damage could take place? If yes, if there is an earthquake where I live, my house would be in danger. The following damage could happen: the various household equipment such as TV, radio, utensils, eating Number 2, if there would be a very severe earthquake, even the people would get crushed under the fallen houses and die. This is the answer of the question. Compare your houses with that of Jasma. So this is the answer: Jasma's house and my house. It was made up of clay, cow dung, mirror, etc. And this is not very strong and can be break due to heavy rainstorms. And my house, it is made up of cement, brick, glass, steel, etc. It is very strong and can withstand all adverse climate conditions. So this was the answer of this question. Try to write down in your notebook carefully and cleanly and learn that. Good day.